Congratulations! You're ready to become an Alex Lab sponsor, and give me just 2 minutes to explain all the benefits for you. Sponsorship is the most powerful way to support Alex Lab channel. There are 3 different levels of sponsors and everyone has their own benefits. From the first level, Superfan, you get into the team. Your name appears in the book of sponsors. You also get special sign near your nickname and access to brand images. Second level, an engineer, is for crazy guys like me who also want to make cool gadgets with their own hands. You also get a place in the book of sponsors, special sign and images, but most importantly, all PDF DIY guides will be available to you. Blueprints, detailed list of components and tools, everything that you need to make gadgets from my videos with your own hands. And the third level, companion, is the top. Except for all previous benefits, your name is engraved on the steel plate of sponsors and is mentioned in the credits of all the videos. So choose a level suitable for you and become a sponsor. Thank you for your support and welcome to the Alex Lab team!